Hey guys, Nate Rose here. You know, the more time that I spend in the gym, the more I realize that there is an absolute need for what I've created. And because I started looking at the same problems over and over that people were running into. And the first one was obviously lack of time, right? People don't have hours to spend in the gym to get these phenomenal physiques. The second thing I kept seeing was people didn't know where to start. Maybe you're brand new to fitness or you've been gone for about 20 years and now you're coming back into it. You don't know if you should do cardio, if you should do weights, a combination of the two, how frequently, how much rest should you take, etc., right? Third thing, of course, and probably the most confusing topic is nutrition. How do I eat? How much? When? How frequently? Should I be fasting, right? And of course, the fourth thing is let's say you've been working out for years and or months, but you're still not seeing the results you want to get because you don't know how to change up your program. You don't know how you should put the things together. You don't know what comes first, what comes second. But you know what? All those problems I just talked about, I've created the solution. It's called the RIP Marine system. Okay, it's a revolutionary fitness system that is designed to give you the fastest results, changing your physique, get you from where you are to where you want to be, creating physique transformations while improving and increasing athletic performance. So if you want to get big and huge and build a huge mass, this program is definitely not for you. But if you want to get ripped, you want to lean out, you want to look better, you want to look better naked, okay? You want to get shredded, this is the program for you. If you want to spend the least amount of time in the gym and get the maximum results, this is the program for you, okay? But if all you want to do is kind of just do a little bit of cardio and diet, and you don't want to really be intense and hard on your body, this is definitely not the program for you. But if you're wanting results, okay, and you want to do them as fast as possible with the least amount of time spent in the gym, click the link down below. I can't wait to share this with the world. In fact, I am flipping out over here. Okay, and I'm super excited to share this with the world. This is Nate Rose, the RIP Marine. Be strong, fit, ripped, out.